All right, so this is going to be a quick video. I'm just going to be showing you how you can install FL Studio to keep all your settings. Let's say you're using the FL25 and they just dropped the latest update of FL Studio 2026, and you might install it and you might just see that it's, once you open it up, it's most of your files that were your previous ones are not your current ones. So this is the new FL right here. So I'm just going to hit on to install. I've already installed it, but let's just hit on next, and you agree. All users. Yeah, so the next, and all these two next, and this is just where the whole thing is, this destination folder. So originally when you're installing it, it creates a new folder which is the FL Studio image line FL Studio 2026, but you just need to put it in the same folder where your previous version of FL Studio was. So you can see for me, I've done it already. So if not, it would have been showing 2026. So it shows 20 because that's where my FL I've been installing all my FL right from 20. I've installed 21 inside this folder, installed the 25 inside this folder, and now I also installed 2026 inside this folder. And when you open it up, it just opens up fresh, like it opens up the new version with all your previous settings. So with that being said, so I'm just gonna say no because I've already done this. Yes, so once I open up FL Studio right away, I'm not gonna show you, that's what I did, and you could see all my settings, all my packs, here. And if you come over to the options and come over to about, so you're gonna see that it is FL 2026, which is amazing. So yeah, so that's just how you can quickly just have all your settings to your previous FL migrated to this latest version of FL Studio. So if this helped you, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and see you guys in another video. Peace out.